Okay, now on to the ever-dreaded onion. Now, if you're like my wife, she likes to wear her swimming goggles when she cuts onions to avoid crying. But I always tell her, and I tell a lot of people, when you're cutting an onion, if you have a nice sharp knife, you won't tear up, you won't cry. The reason being is a nice sharp knife will not rupture the cells of the onion, and you won't cry. A lot of people fear a nice sharp knife, but a sharp knife is your friend because it won't slip from the surface that you're cutting. So now we get started. We're going to cut the ends of the onion off. So you always want to try and square the vegetable up so you have a nice even surface to put it on. Now, to peel the onion, you can lightly score the outside and peel the outer skin off. Yeah. And now we have our onion. Now we're going to start again with our large dice primarily for stock. So we'll cut the onion in half, put it flat. By placing it flat, it's not going to move, and it gives us a nice stable surface to work with. We're going to cut this in thirds, and we're going to turn it the other way. And again, nice even cuts, so that when we put this in our stock, all these pieces cook nice and even.